carrying the grand cultural heritage. A place famous for its tamasha and textile industry is the city of Pali.
Hello everyone, I am Mamta Lashkari, proud finalist for Fit and Glam Beauty Present, a platform where you can improve your skills and confidence. And all the credit goes to Dr. Sonal Pariyar and Dr. Ajay Singh Pariyar, who saw me and encouraged me for this beauty present. And yes, today I am here because of them.
I start my morning by remembering God, where I find peace and blessings, which gives me energy for my whole day's work. I believe that a healthy mind resides only in a healthy body. So my day starts with yoga and exercise. I am a fitness freak person and I never compromise with my fitness. Exercise, gym and yoga is a part of my life and also secret of my health. And I also go to health seminars from time to time to create awareness about health in people, and as a responsible citizen, I also make people aware of health, nutrition and exercise. The correct and complete change in the society is possible only through the education of the children, and this is my interest as well as the reason to follow my profession. I love being surrounded by children, spending time with them and educating them. I am a postgraduate in literature and political science. Literature is my subject, so I love reading and teaching literature. Yes, I am a proud educationalist and a government employee. Sketching, poetry and writing is my passion, as well as cooking, music and driving are my interests. Many old people are in old age homes due to the falling values of the society. I often spend my free time with them. I try to bring a smile on their face. I feel relieved by doing so. In addition, I also serve the leprosy patients of our city, distributing fruits, working for them. I have inherited all these values from my mother. I am married to a man who is my strongest support, my friend, my zeal, my best critic, my motivation, and my truest smile. He always balances between his family, job, and business. I am blessed with two lovely kids, my proud talented son, and my lovely charming doll. These both are my inspiration and they give me courage. I describe myself as a strong, passionate, determined, dreamer, confident, and always energetic with a positive mind. I always like to do something different and unique in my life, and I want to be a role model for my city and society. That's why I want to be on this platform. As my name is, and according to my family and friends, wherever I go, I only spread love.
I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Ajay Singh Pariyar and Dr. Sonal Pariyar for providing such a beautiful platform to me and their Beauty with Purpose partner Marwar Yuva Manch for creating awareness to world organ donation. Thank you.
साहिल पे पहुंचने से इनकार किसे हैं, लेकिन तूफानों से लड़ने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है। कहते हैं कि किस्मत खुदा लिखता है, लेकिन उसे मिटा के खुद गढ़ने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है।